Hi everyone, I hope you are doing fine. So today I am here with a new video on WordPress. So sometime when we just go on themes and try to upload a theme from our WordPress dashboard, so we find some kind of issues. So that can be in form of this site can't be reached, or it can be the application did not respond in time, or also we can see the 503 client read error page could not be loaded. So there are also some other kind of errors like the server is busy or temporarily down. So please try later. So today I'm just going to cover this part like how we can simply upload our WordPress theme. So why it happened? The very first thing is that like when the theme files are very large. So whenever we purchase themes like theme forest or elegant theme, so the theme files might be bigger. So as we can see, I'm trying to upload Umwal theme. So that is 16 MB. So whenever I try to open and after that hit the install button, so I'm just getting some different kind of errors. So the theme file size is large. So how I can simply upload my this theme? We can simply install a plugin that is named as WP File Manager. So if you just click on this one, if you go in plugins, you can easily find from there. Okay. So from there, you will find all the files that are just saved in your account from hosting. So if so, always our plugins and themes are always saved in WP content. So whenever I am try to just open this file, so it might be stuck there. Or if I just click here, so you may see it just load the files and after that it automatically hidden. So if we are also not able to upload the theme from here, then how we can just install our WordPress theme, because that is a very crucial part for the development. If you have access to the C panel, so obviously you can also find such kind of all the access to these folders and you can simply upload your theme file by going in WP content and after that accessing theme folder. So what I am going to do, I am just going with the FileZilla. So if you don't have the FileZilla, you simply need to write the FileZilla and after that hit the enter button. And from there, you will see the official website from where we can easily install the FileZilla. So I already have installed, so I'm not going to install this one. So you can see there is a first website. I will also put the link in our description so you can easily access from there. Okay, so how we can create connection with FileZilla? If I just go on my FileZilla and I need to open it. So here is our FileZilla setup. So how we can connect our WordPress website with FileZilla so that we can upload our file. You simply need to go in File and after that you can find Site Manager. So when I click on Site Manager, so it displays some kind of interface. So your host and user and password and port will be empty because I already established the connection before, so that's why it's just displaying my previous connection. So from there we need to know our host. So currently I'm using a free hosting and domain, so from there I can easily get all the details. So like if I just go there, so it's pantheonsite.io. So from there I can get free domain and hosting. So right now you can see I have installed a WordPress with the name of Mylens. And after that, if I just go with connect with SFTP and if I click on there, so I get my host name, username, password, and my port. So we can also use the password for that dashboard. Right now, I am logged in with that password with pantheon.io. So simply mean the password that I used to log in my Pantheon site. So it might be different in your plans, like if you are just accessing through your cpanel or from your hosting, so it might be changed or maybe provided in a form. So if you don't have access or you are not getting like how to get all the details, then you can also contact with your hosting provider company. So you can open the live chat option to ask them to provide the host username, password, and port for that particular domain. And simply need to copy all the things from here and we need to put them in our FileZilla. And if I just go again and click on the file and just hit the SFTP and then click on the connect, so we will see that our connection will successfully connected there because I provided all the things that are valid. So from there we can see right now the root site has been loaded here. So you can, I'm also repeating that you can also find all those things in your cpanel. So you can also access these files from your cpanel. But suppose that if you don't have the cpanel option in some kind of, you are using such kind of hosting where there is no cpanel, so you can easily connect your site with the FileZilla and you can easily control your files. So from there, from remote size, I need to go in code, and if I click on code, then I can see there are the files wp admin, wp content, and wp includes. So I can easily install my theme from here. So I need to find the theme folder, so that is always inside wp content. So whenever I click on the wp content, so if I just scroll below, so here's the file name and we have the plugins and we have the themes. So if I just open the themes, so from there I can get all the themes who are installed in my that WordPress. So we can see here is 2011. So for the confirmation, I will go in my appearance themes, and we can also see there is a theme with the name of 2011. So that's mean we are in the right place, and we need to push the folder of the theme that I wanna upload there. And I need to go on my computer. So from where I have downloaded that, so here is the theme, and then we need to go, that is ML, and that should be in zip format. And when I get this folder, so I simply need to right click and after that hit the extract here, because we cannot we should not upload the zip file there. So we should just extract that, and after that I will open, so we can find all the files of our themes inside there. I just need to upload this theme just below the 2011. So if I just drag and drop, and if you can see, if I just drop it here, so it will start uploading in our WordPress website. So you can see there is also something appearing above, and you can also see there is a folder just appearing with the name of the theme that I uploaded. And after within a few minutes, our WordPress theme will be inside of our dashboard and we can easily install from there. So let it be upload successfully, and after that we will see if we can install it or not. So let's wait. And right now we can see there is a just cute file that are just gathering, and we can also see the successful transfers that are also increasing, and we can also find the failed transfers there, or we can resume them. But for the time, we can see the successful files and the queued files. So let it be done so that we can check like if we can just install the WordPress theme from our dashboard after uploading the file here or not. Whenever just I go in Umber by double clicking, so we can see the files are uploaded inside there. And right now, if I just go in our WordPress dashboard, and after that, if I go in themes, and from there, and we can find from Umber theme from there that mean that have been uploaded on our WordPress website. So if I just hit this activate button, so that we can see if that can be installed or not. And congratulations, and we have successfully installed our theme. That was not just installing from our upload theme file. So right now we have successfully uploaded that. So in this way we can simply upload the WordPress theme. So I hope you find this video very helpful. If you were just struggling to install the themes without going with the simply upload theme file and you was getting some errors, so if you find this video a little bit helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel so that you can get more amazing videos related to the WordPress. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take good care of you and your family. See you in our next video. Peace out.